Oh no. I just caught that on video.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, west central Muskogee County and east central Oklahoma, east central Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Morris, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Okmulgee, Shakota, Morris, KIH, Boynton, Council Hill, Rentiasville, Wainwright, Hichita, Hiram, Anapa. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 255 and 266. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 10 p.m.,